Hi, my name is Soon Seng, and today I am reading What Could I Become? Written and illustrated by Nabila Adami. The teacher said we have to write down what we want to be when we grow up. Hmm, what do I want to be? Hey, look, that person sells ice cream. I want to sell ice cream. I can walk around the neighborhood and eat ice cream all day. Ring, ring, it's time to go home. Oh, look, a mail truck. It could be nice to be a postal worker. I could travel all around town. Mom is here already to pick me up. I get to take the train to go to Grandma's house. Choo choo, I am a train driver. My train travels to far away cities. Woohoo! I wonder where that plane is going. Pilots can go anywhere, across oceans and continents. I love flying in the sky. Hooray! I got a package from my dad. Maybe I could be a marine biologist like my dad. Then I could dive in the deep sea and play with all of the underwater animals. I wonder what is inside the box. Wow, a rocket! Uh-oh, I fell asleep. Finally, I know what I want to be. I want to be an astronaut. I want to explore outer space and visit the planets and the stars. The end. I think that reading is so important because it helps us just to imagine new things. It helps us to open up our minds and imagine new possibilities. I think that authors try to create worlds or different experiences through their writing and their books. And as we read, we recreate those worlds and we recreate those experiences through the power of our imagination. And that's what reading gives us access to. I think that reading also allows us to access the thinking and the ideas and the creativity of some of the best thinkers and some of the most creative people and some of the most inspiring people in the world and in history. And reading allows us, we may never be able to meet those people in real life, but reading allows us to access their thoughts and in some ways have a conversation with them, hear the stories that they want to tell, hear their perspectives about the world. And reading opens that up to us. It opens up a world and our histories and our imaginations. And so, yeah, I encourage you to keep on reading, to learn new things, read new types of books, new types of things, and yeah, just keep on imagining and expanding the possibilities that are available to you.